The future is now. Imagine AI agents in manufacturing as the answer to shortage of skilled workers. Hey there, folks. Today I want to talk about a major issue that's affecting U.S. manufacturing labor shortages. Even though it's not as severe as back in 2021, 2022, labor shortages still persist. In fact, 20.6% of plants reported labor as a production constraint in Q3 of 2024. That's double the pre-pandemic average. Now, the impact varies by sector. Some, like transportation equipment, are doing better than in 2018, but others, like chemicals, are facing more issues. In food manufacturing, it's particularly vulnerable, especially with potential mass deportations looming. This could seriously impact raw material availability. Even though quit rates have stabilized, they're still high, similar to levels from 2017 to 2019. So, what can be done? Well, here's where it gets interesting. AI agents could be the game changer we need. By integrating AI, we can address the skills gap and alleviate labor shortages. AI can optimize workflows, manage tasks, and even predict potential issues before they arise. If you're in manufacturing and struggling with labor shortages, you should definitely consider consulting with the team at er-technologies.com. They specialize in leveraging AI to solve these exact problems. So, don't wait. Head over to er-technologies.com and explore how AI can revolutionize your manufacturing process. Thanks for watching, and let's make 2025 a year of innovation and growth. Catch you in the next video for more insights from er-technologies.